Greetings, Training Tribe member. You are awesome. Hey, Coach JZ here with you. And if you're not yet a member of the Training Tribe and you're interested in learning more about and possibly joining the greatest online coaching and training platform in existence today, just go to thelifetimeathlete.com and check out the Training Tribe menu item. Let's get right into it this week. We're deloading. Here we go. This is the fourth and final week of our first of 2 months in the power training block. We've got two exciting workouts. Our outdoor or outside session is workout A, and you can perform that 2 to 3 times this week on non-consecutive days. Very simple. Your prep or warm-up is simply a 10-minute walk. Then you'll follow up with a jog or a run, 20 minutes, nice and easy, and have your bike ready to jump on and go ahead and get another 30 minutes. This makes a total of an hour of easy aerobic training and nourishment for the body. We call it the cardio combo. It's not unlike a triathlete brick, and that's going to be a fun session for you guys. Now, workout B is to be done indoors in your training facility, whether that's a commercial gym that you go to or your essential home training center. Also to be done a couple times this week. Very basic because we're going to use the same methodology for the prep, primary, and accessory components. You're going to be doing 10 repetitions of each of the exercises in circuit fashion for 3 circuits or rounds of each area. So the push-pull combos include alternating a pushing exercise with a pulling exercise. So you've got a push-up, a bent row or bent over row. You can do that with 1 or 2 arms. Dumbbells, barbells, sandbag, whatever you have. Same thing really goes for the overhead press using any implement that you have available. And then the pull-up always can be with a band or foot assist if necessary. In your squat hinge combo, you're going to be using the ramp gob squat, or simply put a board or book under your heels to elevate your feet slightly. And that goblet squat can be done holding any weight in a front-loaded position. If you don't have a kettlebell, that is fine. Romanian deadlift, or RDL, that's our from the top down hinge pattern with fairly straight but not entirely straight legs. And you're just going to go to your hamstring limit, again, using any implement that you have. This sandbag back squat would be putting your sandbag on the top of the shoulder blades, not so much the neck, and then working through range of motion as you have it available. And then our dumbbell deadlift can be performed from the floor or off blocks. Lastly, you've got the lunge and rotate combinations. So you're going to do a forward walking lunge with any loading method that you like. So that can be bilateral or unilateral. You can hold weights at the sides, up at the shoulders. You can place it in front or back. Again, whatever's working for you. And you'll take those 10 steps forwards in that particular part of the workout. Then you go to the medicine ball trunk twist, and again use a nice basic athletic stance and really work on controlling range of motion, accelerating through the middle and decelerating at the ends of your rotation. Now you've got the backward walking lunge. Simply use the same loading and lunging with a backwards walk pattern. And then the tubing rotation, which is one we've used a lot. Use any anchor that you like, low, medium, or high, and enough tension on your tubing or band to activate the trunk, shoulders, and hips as you turn back and forth. And that's really, I've got the motion as lotion tip there for you guys because we really are trying to lubricate our bodies this week. So we're nourishing it with the aerobic exercise in workout A, and then in B, we're just reinforcing our pattern, competency, and proficiency, and also getting ready to ramp back up for this second month of the power phase. So enjoy your deload. Thanks for being a member of the tribe. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ping me in the T2 forum or join me in the masterclass each week. Thanks again. Coach JZ out.